Ever wondered how to create your own herbal hair rinse at home? Well, you're in for a treat today. We're going to explore the wonderful world of Ethiopian herbs and how they can transform your hair care routine. Imagine having a hair rinse that not only cleanses, but also nourishes your hair with natural goodness. Intrigued? I bet you are. So, let's embark on this fascinating journey together. Stay tuned as we delve into the simple steps of creating this nourishing hair rinse. Let's begin by gathering our ingredients. First up, we have Ethiopian rosemary. This fragrant herb packs quite a punch. It's known for its stimulating properties, boosting circulation to the scalp, strengthening hair follicles, and promoting healthy hair growth. Next, we bring in the soothing power of fresh Ethiopian mint leaves. Mint is renowned for its cooling effect on the scalp, calming any irritations or itchiness, and leaving you with a refreshing sensation. We'll also be using basil leaves. Basil isn't just for your pasta sauce, it's a great addition to our rinse too. It imparts shine and luster to your locks, making them look healthy and vibrant. Finally, we have a couple tablespoons of organic honey. A natural humectant, honey helps to lock in moisture, leaving your hair soft, smooth, and hydrated. With these ingredients ready, we can now start the brewing process. Now, we'll start infusing our herbs. Just like brewing a perfect cup of tea, we're going to steep our Ethiopian rosemary and mint leaves in hot water. This process allows the herbs to release their beneficial properties into the water, creating a potent herbal infusion that will form the base of our hair rinse. Let's pour some nearly boiling water over our crushed herbs, taking care to ensure that they're completely submerged. Now, we'll leave this herbal concoction to steep for about 20 minutes, giving the water ample time to absorb all the goodness from the herbs. While our herbal infusion is steeping, let's turn our attention to the other ingredients. First up, we have basil leaves. Basil is a wonderful herb that adds shine and luster to the hair, and it's also great for maintaining a healthy scalp. We'll crush about a tablespoon of these leaves and add them to our steeping mixture. Next up, we have organic honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture. This makes it perfect for adding hydration to our hair. We'll add 2 tablespoons of honey to our mixture, stirring well to ensure it's fully incorporated. Once our herbal infusion has steeped for 20 minutes, it's time to strain it. We want to remove all the solid bits from our rinse, leaving us with a smooth, residue-free liquid. We'll strain our mixture through a fine sieve or a piece of cheesecloth, capturing the liquid in a clean bottle. Don't forget to squeeze the herbs to get out every last drop of that herbal goodness. We don't want any of it going to waste. There we go, our herbal hair rinse is almost ready. Before we finish, let's give our rinse a good shake to mix everything together. This ensures that all the ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the rinse. And voila! Our Ethiopian herbal hair rinse is ready. It's filled with natural ingredients that will nourish, hydrate, and strengthen your hair, leaving it shiny, healthy, and full of life. Now that our rinse is ready, it's time to use it. Using this rinse is as simple as pouring it onto your hair. After shampooing, gently massage this herbal concoction into your scalp and strands, allowing it to soak in for a good 5 to 10 minutes. This is the time when the magic happens, as the herbs start to rejuvenate your hair from root to tip. Then rinse it out thoroughly and let your hair air dry for the best results. You might be wondering, what benefits can you expect from this homemade hair rinse? Well, let's break it down. The rosemary strengthens your follicles, encouraging healthy hair growth. The mint soothes your scalp, relieving any itchiness or irritation. The basil adds an extra shine to your hair, making it look lustrous and healthy. And lastly, the honey moisturizes your hair, keeping it soft and manageable. This hair rinse is not only cost-effective, but it's also free from any harsh chemicals found in commercial hair products. So, it's a win-win situation for your hair and your wallet. Plus, it's a great way to incorporate a piece of Ethiopian traditional hair care into your routine. Remember, consistency is key. With regular use, you'll start to see noticeable improvements in the health and appearance of your hair. So why not give it a try? Give this herbal hair rinse a try and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY beauty tips.